All right, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are taking a night drive in the Subaru WRX Sport Tech 6-speed manual transmission. So here you go. This is the side profile. I've got it set up so it looks really nice here. It's a nice and quiet and calm night tonight, so perfect time to check it out. Got those nice headlights. The blue under the lights looks so cool with that head scoop, the hood scoop, head scoop right there. Side with those plastic fenders that everybody hates to love or loves to hate. There's really no in between. Coming around back here, we got quad exhaust that I'm sure people will, modify the life out of. So I've already seen people with the WRX that have back wings. I'll open the rear door so I can show you that at nighttime. Not a lot of ambient lighting, of course, but we have these nice Alcantara kind of seats here. Some 2 heated seats levels at the back here, which is really nice to have. And then we'll hop in, show you the interior of this guy at nighttime. Here we go. I have a seat here. Really cool stuff. It's it's not much in the way of ambient lighting or seeing at nighttime, but you know what? It is what it is. It's a big enough screen here. It's like an iPad-like screen that you can see all your controls, your climate control. It's all easy to use. This is nice and lit up the gauge cluster because you kind of need it. There's no light up on the manual shifter, but if you know your gears enough, you should be okay for driving at night. I'm okay for driving at night. I like the WRX logo on the seats here and the nice feel. It's all very nice and laid out. A little bit of red. I like the red accents inside. Kind of accents everything nicely. So yeah, let's take it for a little POV drive. I'm gonna strap the GoPro under my forehead. So let's get started. All right, so now we are in the driver's seat. Honestly, the best place to be. It's a quiet night. I have the dome light on just so you can kind of see everything on the interior, how everything works and how I'm using everything for a little bit. Then I'll turn it off and kind of let you enjoy the night drive and the ambiance of the WRX at nighttime. It is a very nice clutch to learn on if you're thinking about learning manual. It's a very nice clutch to own and use in general, so you really can't go wrong with it. It's got a good amount of power for what you'd expect for a WRX to be, and I believe it's the same powertrain across the board, so that's also very nice for a lot of people to own and use. That is very nice, especially for people like me. I don't drive manuals very often, so for it to have a little bit of guts to it and also a forgiving clutch and transmission and push it a little bit. Oh boy, once it gets into boost, this car can really fly. It's got such a good exhaust noise too. It's very throaty. You also have the all-wheel drive system across the board again, so you'll be pretty comfortable in the snow and stuff. And yeah, it's wow, it's just been a fun week so far. I'm kind of approaching the end of the week now, and it's just been a fun time. There's I noticed that the gears have a very short power band, so I am actively shifting a lot. I think you'll notice that too if you ever test drive one. You're going to be very active with your clutch, so hopefully that doesn't cause things to wear out. Hopefully it's reliable over time, but besides that, everything is rolled smoothly. But honestly, if you're learning on a manual and you want to learn more, then cars with short power bands are really good because you kind of learn how to downshift, and this doesn't have auto rev match downshifting, so you're left to your own devices here. So you got to flip the throttle on downshift if you want it to be smooth, or you just pull it out of gear and put it in neutral and put the brake on. But I like to actually downshift and practice, and I've gotten decent at it over the week. You kind of learn. This car is very good at teaching you how it wants to be driven, so that's also been very nice for me to experience. As you can see, I do a decent downshift there. Not perfect. I'm definitely by no means a race car or really able to heel toe all that well. So you're going to have to bear with me here with the driving. But I do know enough about the manual to get it going, get it started, and drive in public pretty normally. So it's been pretty fun. And the WRX has been a really good learning experience for me. So I really don't have much complaints about it. There's not a lot of tech. You really are left to your own devices. But of course, you have heated seats, no heated steering. And I believe, again, that's across the board. So yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate. But overall, I'm having a good time. So I'll leave the dome light on for a couple more seconds. I will be quiet now until the end of the video. All right, well, it looks like the GoPro held on to its battery, so I will do the little outro here. So yeah, that's been a little night drive with the Subaru WRX. Little night drive by the water here on these back roads, quiet night. Yeah, it's been really fun to have this thing for a week, and it's not over yet, so I get to enjoy it a little bit more here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And yeah, if you want more night drive videos from me, you gotta let me know, and the only way to do that is by liking this video and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That sends me a direct signal that you are a nighttime drive watcher and you really like them, so I will make sure I do more with the rest of the cars that I get. So let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next car. See you next week. Take care.